Meaning of emergence.
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 Emergence. Emergence refers to the phenomenon where complex systems or patterns arise from relatively simple interactions among individual components. It is a property of self-organizing systems, often occurring in biological, physical, and social contexts. Emergent properties can be novel, unexpected, and difficult to predict based solely on the behavior of the individual components. Examples of emergent properties include the formation of bird flocks, and colonies, and traffic flow. Understanding emergence can provide insights into the behavior of complex systems and inform the development of artificial intelligence and other technologies.